in solid state sounds great.
Well, we'll be able to make a real good comparison here probably this week, because we'll have a couple solid state amps and the tube amp, and we can listen to them all back to back.
Yeah, that'd be cool, John, if you can set them up on a switch, right, where you can do A/B comparisons fairly quickly.
Yeah, I already got the switch, so no problem.
Yeah, Scott, and you were 30 over 9 on that last one, so I mean, between 30 and 40 over 9, I mean, it's just ridiculous. You and James have this pipeline every afternoon into San Diego.
Yeah, I know you're 30 over right now.
And I'm feeding the amplifier with about 12 watts. That's just sick. 12 watts in and almost legal. If I put 20 watts out, will give me 15 plus. I'm keeping it a little under, a little bit of headroom. No need to go full 15 right now. So I'm just 15 to 20 watts in. It's all I really need right now.
Yeah, I think that 1200 spot looks like it'd be really happy on the pure signal graph.
It seems to be. The pure signal green lights up when I transmit. I don't know what parameter I need to be looking at to see if it likes it or not, but it appears to be doing a good job.
Oh, yeah. I mean, let me rephrase that. Look at the pure signal amp view graph. I believe that amp would be very happy all day at 1200 watts.
Are you talking about the airplane propeller graph?
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, Scott, I'm putting about 3 watts out, and I'm getting legal limits. That's pretty amazing.
3?
Roger. 3 watts in. It's a low drive amp, so it's got 2 modes, but it's a low drive, and it's 3 watts in, legal limit out.
That's pretty crazy. Hey, John, what's the tab I go to see the airplane propeller graph?
You right-click the PSA button and then click amp view.
Oh, there you go. Thanks.
Hi, John.
Hey, Dirk, how's it going, man?
Yeah, you memorize voice prints really well. AJ6XW. Hey, you were right on the Yaesu. It was the microphone jack. It's still at Yaesu, being repaired, 4 weeks later. Anyway, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing well. Interesting. So they did their diagnostic and they said it's the mic jack, huh?
I actually took it into ham radio outlet, and they tested it right there on the spot. And I said, people are telling me it's a microphone, so they tested it. Said, no, they put in another mic, brand new one, that did the same thing. They were able to replicate the problem. And then he did some more testing and said, no, it's the actual internal mic jack. It's kind of surprising.
Wow.
Hey, Dirk, good to hear you, man. N6MUD.
Right direction. Thank you.
Yeah, of course, man. So what do you want now?
I waited 3 weeks and no go. And so almost 4 weeks. Saturday I just went back in and bought another brand new DX10. Couldn't wait.
Yeah, I get it.
Dang, it's called HF withdrawal symptom.
Yep. Oh, it's funny.
Well, I look looked at a lot of radios, debated, and I thought, no, you know what? I'm really happy with the DX10. And if I get an extra, then I have one for parts. So, done deal.
Yeah. Hey, you would like this. A couple people on frequency have gotten these Hermes Light 2 QRP radios, and they're full-blown SDRs, basically identical to the Anon, just at a 5-watt power level. And I know you kind of do the computer thing. I think you just take a look at that.
Oh, give me the numbers, please.
Yeah, so it's called Hermes, Hermes, Light, and I think they spell it Lite, and number 2. And it can be ordered from makerfabs.com. That's makerfabs. It's about $400 for the board, the filter board, and the enclosure. And then, you would need a couple other things, maybe an RF sampler, some Ethernet, miscellaneous hardware, adapters, but it's a whole computer-driven SDR.